Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's talk about resizing an image. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image using a freeware. Okay, so let me repeat, it's a freeware. You don't have to pay a single cent. You don't really need expensive software like Photoshop to resize your image. Okay, so now without further ado, let me try to share to you which software I use to actually resize my image. Okay, so you go to your any of your browser and then you type this Fastune Photo Resizer. Okay, click enter, click the link here, and once you're at their website, you can see this download button. Click on it. Next, you can see all these are actually the installer of the programs. Don't worry about it. Okay, just pick the first one. Once you click on it, there will be a pop-up saying that do you wanted to download the installer. So in this video, because I want to keep the video really short, I will not show you how to actually install this software. It's pretty straightforward. What you do is just you can just click run and then install the software. It's really easy. Don't worry about it. If you have trouble installing it, I welcome you to actually comment right below this video, and I will try to help. Okay, let's move on. Assuming that you have installed the program successfully, when you run the program, this is the window that you'll be seeing. Okay, now to resize the image is pretty easy. Okay, but the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you are actually clicking on the right tab. So this particular program is quite powerful. You can actually use it to rename all your images, or you can resize the image. But in this video, because we just wanted to talk about resizing the image, I will not touch anything about this batch rename. So okay, before we resize, let me repeat, make sure that you select this batch convert tab. Okay, now if you come to this window, right, this is basically the window that show you it's kind of like a Windows Explorer. Okay, this is the part where you select the source of your images. Okay, so how you do that, you just click on here. Okay, and because all my images are stored here, so I just click OK over here. As you can see, I have 3 images over here, and for this video, I'm going to show you how I actually resize these 3 images. Okay, now in order to resize the images, you need to get the file over here to here, the input list. This software, you need to get your image to this input list. The software will only resize those images in this input list window. Let me put it this way. So you need to select these 3 images and click the add button. Okay, so this software, once it's in this input list, it will resize these 3 images only. Okay, if you don't want any one of them, what you need to do is just click on the remove button. Okay, at the same time, you can actually do a clear as well. Clear means just clear all the images in this input list window. So if I do a clear, it will be like that. Okay, now there's an easier way for you to select all the images over here to the input list window. You can just click on the add all button, and you can get all of them into this input list window. But you can see that even the subfolder is here, so we don't really resize the subfolder, right? So you can click on this remove button to remove it. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is okay, we have already selected all these 3 images. So the next thing you need to do is to resize it, and click on this settings button, and this is the part where you actually determine what will be the size of your image be. Okay, now when you set it to 100%, that means you get back the same size as before. Then if you set it to 50%, technically, okay, you get half the size for the same image. Okay, so for this case, let me set it to 50%, then I'll click OK. And this is the other setting that you need to set before you can perform this resizing. Remember, you need to choose your output folder. For my case, I wanted to go back to the same thumb drive, which is this resize folder. Let me click on that. Okay. Then the next thing, the rest of this, just leave it as is. Don't have to touch anything. And to resize, the next thing you need to do is just convert. Okay. Okay, let it run. Can you see that the size is already reduced? And as I mentioned just now, even though that we put it like 50%, we might not get 50%. Technically, it's possible, but image processing is not as straightforward as maths, right? Okay, but I think you get the idea. So this is how you resize your image, okay, using this software. To go to the folder that store all your resize images, you can tick here, then click on done. The program will actually bring you to the folder where all your resize images are stored. Okay, that's all I have for today. If you like this video of mine, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please do click the subscribe button at the bottom of this video. Thanks again, and thank you for watching.